Question 18. Benign tumors remain confined to their original location and do not spread to other parts, cause little damage. 2 points are given for benign tumor. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? Only one, only two, one and two, none of the above. See, before that, tumors, there are two types of tumors. Tumors are of two types. They are, one is benign tumor and the another is malignant tumor. Malignant tumor. Benign tumor, it is confined to particular region. It will not spread. Whereas this spreads from one part of the body to. So this is dangerous. This is very, very dangerous. So the point that we can consider here, both benign tumor remain confined to their original location and cause little damage. So 1 and 2. 19th. Cancer causing viruses are called oncogenic, retroadenovirus, none of these. We know that oncogenic virus. Oncogenic refers to cancer causing. Oncology, study of cancer. Alpha interferons, it's protein. Alpha interferons activate the immune system, true. Help in destroying the tumor, that is also correct. Both A and B, yes, this should be the answer. None of the above. So C, option C is the answer. 21st question. Which part of the brain is involved in loss of control when a person drinks alcohol? This we should remember. See, when we drink alcohol, cerebellum, it is also called a little brain, cerebellum. It controls our body balance by coordinating between muscles and our body balance. If alcohol is taken, then this part will get affected. And you know that how a person who drinks alcohol, he cannot walk properly. He loses his body balance because cerebellum gets affected. Let me read the option. Cerebellum, medulla oblongata, cerebrum, pons varolii, and the answer is cerebellum. 22nd. Tobacco consumption is known to stimulate secretion of adrenaline and noradrenaline. We know that the component causing this could be nicotine, tannic acid, curamine, catechin. See, catechin, it is present in the plants belonging to family Fabaceae. Curamine in turmeric, tannic acid in tannin, and it is nicotine. 23rd. Products from plants like Datura species are hallucinogen, stimulant, sedative, painkiller. See, it is not stimulant, sedative or painkiller, it is hallucinogen. It causes hallucinogenation. Smack is a drug obtained from smack. It belongs to the group of drug that cause abuses. That is generally heroin also we call. Latex of Papaver somniferum, leaves of Cannabis sativa, flowers of Datura, fruits of Erythroxylum coca, and the answer is Papaver somniferum. It is also called as poppy plant. Opium is extracted from opium. We also call opioids. Atropa belladonna, Papaver somniferum, Vinca rosea, Azadirachta recta indica, and correct answer is again Papaver somniferum or poppy plant.